Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? My name is Jan Angelo. Welcome to my channel and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. So, pag-uusapan natin for this video is all about clear or clear finish sunscreens. Kaya kung ayaw nyo ng white cast sa mga sunscreens ninyo, this is the video for you. So, actually, inspired ito by a recent TikTok na sobrang nag-viral talaga. And video siya ng isang babae na bumili ng sunscreen. Tapos, sobrang nag-white cast sa kanya. As in, nagmukha siyang espasol sa sobrang white cast. And of course, since maraming mga skincare beginners or mga hindi pa masyadong maalam sa skincare all over social media, ayoko namang isipin nila na parang lahat naman ng sunscreens is ganon. Especially since ang dami kong kilala na ang akala talaga nila sa mga sunscreens is yung parang sinaunang sunscreens pa na ma-paste, na maputi, na sobrang nagwa-white cast. So for this video, we'll be listing down the best sunscreens for different budget levels na either clear or yung sobrang bilis na mag-blend into your skin na magmumukha na siyang clear or clear yung finish niya. Para regardless of your skin color, hindi mo na ever magiging issue ang white cast. Ever. So, that being said, wala nang any, let us begin. Alright, so again, as usual, meron ulit tayong 3 different budget levels depending sa kung anong afford ninyo. Starting with level 1, this is for those na maraming budget. So, sa mga matagal nang nanonood sa channel ko, alam nyo na that there is that one top tier sunscreen. And kung sa usapang clear talaga, guys, this is really that girl. As in other words, this is the sunscreen to beat. Now, this is the sunscreen na favorite din ng mga derma and the sunscreen na gusto talaga natin lahat makamit, and it is the Frezi Derm Sunscreen. So, na-mention ko na to sa best lightweight and matte finish sunscreens video ko because this sunscreen is incredibly lightweight and matte. Pero guys, this sunscreen is also incredibly clear and dare I say, invisible level na talaga siya. Now, if you want a more in-depth review on this, like yung sa pag-test natin sa texture niya, you can check this out sa best lightweight sunscreens video ko. Pero guys, long story short, this is really the perfect sunscreen in my opinion. Maximum yung sun protection niya at SPF 50+, broad spectrum, and water resistant siya, so pwede mo siyang gamitin sa beach, kapag nagwo-workout ka, or even if pawisin ka lang and lalabas ka. And of course, the best part is, this one glides onto your skin like a dream. As in, yung feeling niya is so very velvety smooth, mabilis i-spread and i-blend sa skin, and ang finish niya is parang second skin mo lang talaga. As in, very airy and lightweight lang to, plus mattifying pa. Plus, fragrance and drying alcohol-free pa to, which means it could work for sensitive skin types. Perfect na perfect talaga na sunscreen. As in, kung 4 sisters and a wedding to, ito si Bobby, guys. As in, nasa kanya na talaga ang lahat. Oh. Pero ayun, yung catch nga lang nito, guys, is sa ikina-perfect ng formula niya is ikinamahal naman ng price niya because this goes for around 1.5 to 1.8 for 50 ml. Pero honestly, guys, worth it talaga to in my opinion kasi the quality, the convenience of putting this onto your skin, the invisible finish, kung afford nyo to, guys, ito talaga yung the best. As in, tapos ang usapan, this is number 1 for me. But as usual, guys, kung hindi nyo ito afford, walang problema, ihagis na ulit natin siya as we move on to the second budget level. This is for those na medyo may budget. Starting off with the sunscreen that is personally one of my favorites na gamitin kapag nasa indoors ako or nasa bahay or nasa office lang ako, and this is the Derma X Professional Acne X UV Gel. Now again, sa mga matagal nang nanonood, na-mention ko na rin to sa lightweight sunscreens video ko, so papasadaanan ko na lang tong part na to. Pero talaga, guys, long story short, this is the sunscreen to get kung gusto nyo talaga ng clear gel na type ng sunscreen. Kasi talaga, this is as clear and as gel type as it gets. As in, ito talaga yon. Sabi ko nga sa past video ko, this is literally like putting on a soothing gel or a gel type moisturizer. Ganun talaga siya ka-comfortable na ilagay sa skin. And also, speaking of comfortable, this is also one of the chemical sunscreens na hindi pa niya ako ever nasisting kapag dinadaan ko siya sa mata. May mga iba kasi na sunscreens, lalo na if yung mga chemical na sunscreen ingredients yung gamit nila, medyo humahapde pag nadadaan sa mata. Pero this one, wala pa talaga, as in even mga days na nai-irritate yung skin ko from my acne meds or pag nagiging sensitive siya in general, this has never irritated the skin near my eyes. But of course, dahil iba-iba yung skin natin lahat, your mileage may vary, it might be different for you. And also, speaking of sensitive, this is also an alcohol and fragrance-free sunscreen, which is of course a plus for those na extra sensitive yung skin nila. So ito talaga, guys, this is a very, very solid option. Now, this sunscreen is is at the 600 to 700 peso price range for 50 ml. Yung regular price nito actually is 720 pesos pero paminsan-minsan nagsisale si Derma X and parang mga nasa 640 or 650 na lang yung nagiging price niya. Next up is a new kind of sunscreen na pag-uusapan natin sa channel because it is actually a sun stick. Galing to from a Korean brand and this is the AHC Natural Perfection Double Shield Sun Stick. Now actually, this is already my second stick of the same product pero yung una kasi na ginamit ko last year was totally clear yung stick niya. Pero itong in-order ko ngayon, hindi ko alam kung nag-reformulate sila or mali yung binigay sa akin kasi white na to. But anyway, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung finish nito in a bit and how different it is from the first one that I used. Now, a lot of people have different opinions on sun sticks. Some people love them and yung iba, medyo so-so lang sila about it. Now, I'll explain more on that later, pero ako guys, personally, wala naman akong masyadong strong opinion on sun sticks. I personally enjoy using them and I think they can be great if used the right way. And also, maraming mga sun sticks na meron silang option na clear lang talaga yung stick nila. Meron namang mga iba na white yung stick nila pero easily blendable pa rin sa skin. So given that, it could be especially helpful or beneficial to those na gusto talaga ng clear or clear finish na sunscreen. Now, this sun stick uses a mix of older generation and newer generation chemical sunscreen ingredients. Now, sa mga beginners dyan, wait lang, huwag kayo ma-intimidate. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun is okay yon. Yun lang yung kailangan yung malaman. And that is because you're getting more sunscreen ingredients, so more protection. And also, yung mga ingredients na to is nagtutulong-tulungan para mas maging stable yung sun protection ninyo. Now, this is also drying alcohol-free, but this does have some fragrance, so watch out for that kung very, very sensitive yung skin type ninyo. Other than that, there is a small amount of coconut oil in this formula, but honestly, and even as someone na personally takot na takot sa coconut oil in my skincare products, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-worry dito kasi nakalist na siya after the fragrance pa. So I honestly feel na sobrang konti lang yung laman ng coconut oil dito. And sabi nga ng mga cosmetic chemists, diba, the dose makes the poison. So I'm not really worried kung konti lang yung laman nito. And personally, in my experience, hindi naman ako nag-breakout dito kahit oily skin ako. And ang favorite thing ko talaga about this sunstick is it really makes sunscreen application a bit less messy. Kasi syempre with other sunscreens, liquid sila. So may possibility talaga siyang kumala. And for those who don't want to go through that, this can really help. Na nagugustuhan ko rin na paslant itong sunscreen stick na to. So it makes it easier na madaanan mo yung mga hard to reach spots ng skin. Yung mga sulok-sulok talaga na mahirap applyan kapag straight lang yung stick. Now comparing this one doon sa clear stick na nabili ko last year, pareho naman na yung finish nila is clear on the skin. Pero yung clear, hindi mo na siya kailangang i-blend sa skin. Now for this one though na may white stick, kapag hindi ka naman mabuhok, it still applies on pretty clear. Pero kunyari meron kayong facial hair or parang meron kayong buhok sa body na medyo makapal, this one has a bit of a tendency na kumapit doon. But what I found about that is madali lang siyang i-rub and i-blend into the skin for a clear finish pa rin. So technically, I would say this is still a clear finish sunscreen, but my suggestion is kapag bibili kayo nito online sa Shopee or sa Lazada or kung saan man, kung meron pa yung available na clear stick, I do suggest you get that one kasi yun talaga guys, sobrang convenient na yun, sobrang clear lang yung finish. Now going back to the consistency of this product, after nyo to i-apply, regardless if it's the clear or if it's the white stick, meron kayong ma-feel na parang waxy feeling sa skin niyo after nyo to i-apply. Na hindi naman siya uncomfortable in my opinion, parang meron lang na adjusting period na kailangan yung masanay sa ganong feeling. So you just have to take note of that every time you apply or reapply using this. And speaking of reapplication, yun na nga yung issue ng ibang mga tao with stick sunscreens or sun sticks. So other people don't really like to use sun sticks kasi medyo unhygienic daw for them kapag ginagamit nila for reapplication. Kasi syempre, imagine nyo rin naman throughout the day, your face gathers a lot of pollution. And syempre, natatakot yung mga iba na baka sumama yung mga pollution na yon sa stick kapag nagre-reapply kayo. Which is actually very valid. In fact, ako nanghihinayang din ako sa ganon. Which is why ginagamit ko lang ito doon sa first application ko of the day, as in sa umaga. Kasi alam ko na malinis yung face ko noon bagong hugas, so hindi ako masyadong nag-worry about that. Now, siguro ang pinaka-concern ko na lang in applying this sunscreen is actually applying this sunscreen properly, na matamaan or makuha mo lahat ng sulok ng face mo, including the hard-to-reach areas. So, medyo kailangan lang talaga ng conscious effort when putting this on. But in my opinion, honestly, dapat may conscious effort naman talaga in applying all kinds of sunscreens. So, hindi naman masyadong big issue yun sa akin. So again, lots of different opinions about stick sunscreens or sun sticks. But if you want to try this out, you can can get this on Shopee at around 400 pesos for 14 grams. Meron din tong bigger version at 22 grams at around 500 pesos if I'm not mistaken. But if you're really not into using sunsticks, walang problema because we still have one last sunscreen in this category. And it's actually a very, very impressive local sunscreen. Now, this is from our very own BLK Cosmetics, and this is their Daydream Airy Sunscreen in sheer. Now, yes, I did say in sheer dahil meron silang dalawang variant. Yung isa is tinted, and this other one is yung sheer. And basically, this variant is really just a regular sunscreen na walang tint. Na ito guys, i-share ko lang ha, nung tinetest ko siya, paulit-ulit ko talaga tong pinapahid sa skin ko. As in, feeling ko mga 1/3 na ng product yung nasayang ko rito. Kakatest ng kakatest. Kasi hindi talaga ako makapaniwala sa texture nito. As in, napadpad pa ako sa makeup YouTube para lang makita ko yung lagay nito sa skin ng ibang tao. Sobrang ganda kasi talaga ng consistency nito. As in, yung kiniklaim nila doon sa packaging nila na it blends like a dream sa mga ads nila, sa mga marketing nila. Ma'am, totoo siya. This is a mixed physical and chemical sunscreen that is SPF 50 PA3+, which is high sun protection, and this is also fragrance-free and drying alcohol-free, which is of course a big plus for sensitive skin types. And yung texture talaga nito guys, oh my god, yung texture nito, sobrang naloloka talaga ako. So ito na siya, it starts off as a regular cream, and sa unang rub mo, iisipin mo na baka may konting white cast siya, but in just a few seconds after you blend it in, it's as if nagtatransform yung texture niya into a very watery texture, and then tuluyan na siyang mag-absorb sa skin. And yung finish, literally parang clear na siya. As in, ito yung ilang beses na trinay ko sa skin ko ha. Wala talaga siya guys. Tinapat-tapat ko pa siya sa ilaw, chinek ko kung merong white cast. Wala, as in clear lang siya and sobrang nagulat talaga ako. Now more on the finish, aside from it being clear, medyo natural lang siya. Mild lang yung pagka-dewy nito. It has a very, very, very light moisturizing effect, which I think makes this a really, really good moisturizing sunscreen kung very, very lightweight na moisture lang yung gusto ninyo. So oily skin types, including me, magugustuhan nyo to. This also plays really well with makeup, which is actually not that surprising for me kasi makeup brand naman talaga si BLK. So of course, they would make a sunscreen na okay with makeup. But anyway, kung bet nyo to, you can get this on the BLK physical store or online store for 449 pesos for 30 ml. Pwede na yung price and another really solid option for a lightweight and natural finish sunscreen. Alright, so that is it for our second budget level, and now we move on to the main event and yung favorite budget level ng lahat. Of course, we have level 3, yung nagtitipid or yung drugstore budget. Starting off with a product that used to be on a higher budget level pero minove down ko na siya rito kasi mas mura na yung prices na nakikita ko sa kanya online. And mind you, Korean brand ito. This is a brand na na-mention ko na rin before, and I'm sure alam na to ng mga regular na nanonood sa channel na to. This is of course the Missha All Around Safe Block Aqua Sun Gel. Na-mention ko na rin to sa lightweight sunscreens video ko, pero parang runner-up lang siya doon kasi medyo so-so lang ako sa amoy nito. Pero marami naman nag-share sa inyo na medyo okay naman kayo or tolerated nyo naman yung amoy nito. So I did decide to include this as a regular entry in this list, especially since this is really one of the cheaper Korean sunscreens you can get. So again, if you want a more in-depth review of this sunscreen, naandun siya sa lightweight sunscreens video ko, so you can check it out there. Pero basically, this is a chemical sunscreen that offers maximum protection at SPF 50+, PA4+. And actually, ito guys, I was not going to include this initially kasi akala ko kasi talaga more on cream siya na kailangan i-blend ng matagal sa skin. But the more I tried this one on, clear talaga yung finish niya eh. And minimal lang talaga yung effort na kailangan para hindi siya magka-white cast. Plus, you're left with a very natural to matte finish. And for me, that was enough to put this in this list. One thing nga lang to watch out for sa product na to is, again, this does have both alcohol and fragrance. So if you do have sensitive skin, better to check out other options. Pero personally ako, ina-avoid ko lang to if irritated or sensitized yung skin ko from my acne meds. Other than that though, on regular days, this is actually a very, very convenient sunscreen to use. So if you want to check this out, you can get this usually at the 350 to 400 peso range for 50 ml. Para ka na rin bumili ng typical sunscreen sa drugstore. drugstore. And speaking of drugstore, we move on to our next product, which is an actual drugstore product from a very, very popular local brand. I'm sure marami na sa inyo ang may alam about this sunscreen because this is the Lux Organics Aqua Daily Sunscreen. Now, I know matagal na tong sunscreen na to sa market, pero admittedly, fragrance hater kasi talaga ako dati. So, never ko talaga to kinonsider as a sunscreen option. But when I started to accept na, ayun nga, fragrance depends from person to person and hindi naman lahat is sensitive dito, dun ko to binigyan ng chance and honestly, it's not that bad and it's pretty good. So, this is a chemical sunscreen that is SPF 50 PA3+, high protection naman na yun, and ang claim ni Lux Organics is this is lightweight, non-greasy, and wala raw tong white cast. And based naman sa pag-test ko dito, in fairness, check naman siya lahat. Now, this starts off as a little bit of a yellowish gel and then kapag sprined mo siya sa skin, ang bilis-bilis niyang mag-blend. Wala kang i-worry at all na white cast kasi gel talaga siya. It finishes on the skin very natural on the face. May konting pagka-hydrated or dewy feeling lang sa start, but it eventually absorbs really well into your skin and yung lagay niya sa skin is very, very comfortable as in super-duper lightweight lang. And that's very impressive for this type of sunscreen kasi alcohol-free to. And usually, yung mga drying alcohols, yun yung nagpapabilis ng absorption sa sunscreen. So in fairness, kudos sa mga formulators ng Lux Organics for making an alcohol-free sunscreen na ganito ka-lightweight and easy to absorb. That being said though, this does have fragrance gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, but the fragrance is honestly very light and pleasant in my opinion. Fresh lang siya, hindi siya masyadong overpowering. Minsan ginagamit ko to as a body sunscreen kasi talaga ang bango-bango niya and I want that on my body. But of course, as with any scent, that will depend on you and what scents you like or don't like. And of course, if fragrance or scents make your skin irritated, then of course, stay away. Now, going back to the sunscreen, siguro masasabi ko lang with this is kahit lightweight siya, some people say na throughout the day, medyo nag-oily or nagmamantika daw yung skin nila. Pero hindi rin kasi natin masabi for sure na effect yun ng sunscreen na to or if oily lang talaga yung person. But as someone who does have oily skin, just in my experience, hindi naman masyadong nagmantika yung face ko. Wala naman ako na-experience na ganon. So all in all, I have very positive feelings with this sunscreen. So if you do want to check this out, lagi itong available sa mga Watsons. I haven't seen a Watsons store na hindi to available. And because of that, I think this is another solid choice for those who want an affordable and accessible na lightweight and clear sunscreen. Now, moving on to our last product, or should I say last products, because sinave ko ang best for last kasi talaga sobrang favorite ko tong line of sunscreens na to. And if matagal na kayong nanonood sa mga videos ko, sigurado na akong alam nyo na to because I really never stop talking about this sunscreen line. But anyway, these last two sunscreens are from my favorite drugstore sunscreen line ever. And these are ang maganda pero laging low on stock na Dermaction by Watsons Advanced Sun Water Drop Gel Cream Sunscreen and their newly released pero also very low on stock na Advanced Sun Sheer Matte Invisible Balm. Na alam nyo, at this point, hindi ko na alam kung nananadya lang ba talaga si Watsons kasi yung bago nilang release is low on stock din. As in, Miss Watsons, yes po, paano po? Kailan po yung restock? Kaya po ba by today? But anyway, kung naghahanap kayo ng fragrance-free and drying alcohol-free na sunscreen, as always, ito talaga yung top 2 choices ko. These are top-tier sunscreens with top-tier formulations. So itong Water Drop Cream Gel, I have talked about this countless times. You can check this sa first video na feature ko siya, along with the bigger version of this sunscreen na lotion for the body naman siya. Nilalagay ko siya sa eye button and makikita nyo na rin yung parang texture and consistency nito doon. But basically, similar siya doon sa BLK and sa Misha. This starts off as a cream and blends effortlessly into a watery finish na clear and hydrating, walang white cast to. Pero guys, ang gusto ko talagang i-highlight at pag-usapan dito is yung isa, itong invisible balm nila. Kasi talaga guys, at first, ayaw ko dito. Pero over the holidays, I honestly fell in love with this. O diba ang taray na in love over the holidays? Sana all. But anyway, this is a mixed chemical and physical sunscreen at SPF 50 PA3+, which means it provides high sun protection. Now, ito kasi guys, ang consistency na to is very waxy on the skin. Imagine nyo parang dinikdik or blender na parang candle wax. Ganun siya. Pero kapag blend mo siya sa skin, as in mawawala talaga siya. It will really disappear and sobrang lightweight lang yung feeling niya. And the finish really is matte. As in parang wala ka talaga nilagay sa skin mo. And also actually, may mga times na akala ko nakalimutan kong mag-apply ng sunscreen dahil dito. As in ganun siya ka-comfortable and ka-lightweight. And what I really loved about this is Kahit mahirap siya i-dispense ng konti dahil sa texture na and dahil sa packaging, ang benefit naman is hindi to makalat at all. As in, ewan, ako talaga may mga days ako na ayokong ma-feel yung kalat na parang liquid na sunscreen sa kamay ko, na sobrang basa siya. So I found this really convenient as an everyday sunscreen. And also, sobrang marerecommend ko to for athletes, mga mahilig magbike sa labas. Any outdoor activity, I will wear this kasi talaga hindi siya makalat and it's very lightweight sa skin. Plus, again, water resistant siya so hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal ng pawis. So siguro kung may downside lang ako for this one, yun nga, medyo mahirap lang talaga siya i-dispense. So sana mas may convenient na packaging. And also, isa pa palang issue, out of stock to lagi. As in, Diyos ko talaga, Watsons, hindi na nga perfect yung packaging. Out of stock nyo pa. Ano ba? Pick a struggle, sis. Charot. But anyway, super duper recommend ko talaga to along with the Dermaction Water Drop Cream Gel. Both are at 399 pesos for 40 ml if, and only if, mahuli nyo silang available. Diyos ko talaga, Watsons, nanggigigil na ako sa inyo. Pinapahirapan nyo kami. Pero ayun, if you do want to check this product out or any of the products that I mentioned in this video, as usual, meron akong mga links in the description box, all leading to legit shops para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And if you found this video informative, please do leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!